In the box, the Polycom VVX400 comes complete with the base unit, a handset cord, a network cable, a stand, and documentation. Standard features of the VVX400 are 12 lines of programmable soft keys, a 3.5-inch backlit color LCD display, Polycom HD voice, internal speaker, hard keys that include a standard 12-button keypad, volume control, home, four-way navigation cluster, headset, speaker, mute, transfer, messages, and hold. Ports on the VVX400 include a headset port for hands-free use, 2 Ethernet 10100 ports, and a port for connecting an optional expansion module. Setup is easy. Plug in the network connection and handset cord. Then snap on the base.